I should have put glitter glue. When it doesn't focus. I have a pimple like right here and it hurts. Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I haven't posted a video in a week, so here I am, bored, and I decided to do my homework.
Am I that dumb?
I went to school. I decided to do my makeup. I look dead right now, but I promise after this video, I'll go from a 0 to a solid 3. Like, I don't know what look I'm going for. I'm just gonna go with it. Trust me, new videos are gonna come soon. Let's get on with the makeup. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, so my mom bought me this. It's just this like headband to put everything back. So first things first. Oh look, I got my nails done. They were supposed to be nude, but they turned out like nude pink, and I got silver. So cute. Moisturize my face. The Clean and Clear Dual Action Moisturizer. I got this a while back. I mean, it feels good. I don't know if it breaks me out, but we'll find out tomorrow. While that sinks in, I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera. So I just finished doing my eyebrows. And just to let you guys know, I'm not a friggin' makeup artist. My eyebrows are naturally like thick. I used the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in soft brown, and then I used the Anastasia Contour Cream Palette in medium. Used that to clean them up. Now I'm gonna prime my eyelids with the same concealer. Just gonna get a thicker like brush. I don't know why, but these type of videos always remind me of Rachel Cantu. She's so pretty and I freaking love her videos. Now I'm gonna take my dry sponge because I'm too motherfucking lazy to go wet it. And I'm not gonna set my eyelids this time. I usually do, but I kind of want the pigment to be there. Oh, the model in this one is too basic. I'll use the subcolor palette. I haven't used this in a while. I don't know what I'm going for, but I'm gonna dip into Roxy first. This is gonna be my transition shade. So I'm just gonna put that on my outer corner, and then slowly bring it in. Dip into this cup right here. I'm just gonna use that to give more like definition to my eye and give the outer corner like a more brown tone. I'm gonna go into All Star. I'm gonna pat that in the outer corner and the inner corner. I'm gonna get some Mario Badescu Rose Water. Let's spray it. Forget we're going in green. Just pat that in. So there's that. I'm not done yet. It's just this purple glitters. I already messed up. But I'm gonna do the other eye off camera. Just finished doing the other eye, and girl, it was so mother cracking hard, and didn't even come out that good. This one came out higher than it's the Kiko Full Coverage 2-in-1 foundation, and then I'm gonna use the Tarte Shape Tape. This one is way too light for me, but I don't care. I still use it under my eye. You see how light that is? And then I'm gonna apply the Kiko one there, like a little bit below, just so that it's not light. Oh my gosh, I literally forgot to put primer. I'm too lazy to wet my sponge. I'm gonna spray my face real quick. I ate that. I'm gonna use a brush because I'm too lazy to wet my sponge. Thanks for making a lot of noise. Stop. So I just finished blending everything as good as I could. Steve, do you want to say anything?
Yeah, you're fucking ugly.
Period. I'm just setting my face. I just set my face before he interrupted me with the Anastasia powder contour kit. Moving on. I'm gonna use the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Bronzer. For blush, I'm gonna use the Kiko blush Coco Shock. Oh, I look like a clown. What?
Wanna know something interesting?
I look like a clown every
You're
day.
adopted.
He thinks he's funny. I'm gonna spray my face again. The Mario Badescu Rose Water. Use the Ofra highlighter in Pillow Talk. The bomb. Now I'm gonna put on some lashes off camera. Okay, so I finished doing my makeup a while ago, but you can see my brother came in and he started doing his homework and things got awkward. I was gonna wait for him until he finished so I can like finish recording in that good lighting, but I'm tired of waiting, so I'm just in the bathroom. It's basically the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching. Sorry if it was boring, but I tried my best. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.